Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to add website shortcuts to your desktop. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below if you knew about this way or if you didn't know about this way, maybe it helped you, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So, website shortcuts to your desktop. What do I mean by that? So, typically you have your shortcut programs on your desktop that when you click them, you go to wherever you need to go. But there's a way to actually take a website, the URL, the link to the website, and make a shortcut to your desktop. So all you have to do is click the shortcut and it'll take you right to the web page. Many people like this, so if they start their computer, they can just jump right into a website, there's that specific website, and not worry about typing anything in, web address wise. So I'm going to show you this method in 3 browsers. I'm going to show you it in Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Just to kind of give you an idea on how to do this throughout different web browsers. So let's just begin. If you see down here, I have a couple open. I have Firefox, I have Chrome, and I have Internet Explorer. So I'm just going to start with Internet Explorer first. I have my page that I want to save, and that would be xbox.com. I'm a big gamer, so I want a quick way to jump to xbox.com on my desktop so I don't have to go and type the whole website in. Even though it's not a long website, I just like the convenience factor of clicking and going. So once you have found a website that you want, this is for the Internet Explorer method. Find a website you want that you're on, and you're going to see the icon to the website right here next to the HTTPS. You'll see that icon on any website that you're on. It won't be an X, obviously, but it'll be something different. The logo maybe to the website. Just hold it in with your mouse, move it over, and drag it to your desktop, and then let go. So as you can see, it's made the Xbox shortcut website convenience factor to your desktop. So that was the Internet Explorer method. That's how you grab it and just drag it over. So now we're going to do the Chrome shortcut, website shortcut. And this is for, if you're in Chrome, this is the Chrome method. Pick a website that you want to be on. Sort of this similar thing with Internet Explorer, except there's not going to be a picture here. You're going to see a lock next to the website. So go on the website you want to go on, hold the lock in, and drag it to your desktop. And as you can see, it made the website shortcut. And you can tell it's Chrome because it has the Chrome logo. So pretty simple. That's how you do it in Chrome. Website shortcut for your desktop. Now, we'll do Firefox. Okay, so I'm on the website NFL.com. And same thing with Chrome. It doesn't show you the picture like Internet Explorer does, but it does have this lock. So hold the lock in and just drag it to your desktop. And there you go. There is the shortcut to NFL.com. So now if I click any of these 3 shortcuts, like Xbox for example, it'll take me right to the Xbox homepage. Internet is kind of slow today, so just bear with me. There we go. And if I do Chrome's, the ESPN page that I saved, if I double click that, it'll bring me right there. And if I click on the NFL one that I saved in Firefox, it will take me right to the NFL page. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you make website shortcuts for your desktop. It's pretty convenient. A lot of people like doing this instead of going in and typing the whole website and navigating through different web pages. So that's how you do it for 3 different browsers: Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. So that's it, guys. Give this video a like, comment down below if this helped you at all, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.